Oh dear. Oh, okay, I'm gonna need to find the proper, the man size 13. Oh, fuck me, dead.
What's actually holding this? Oh, there's a thing there. No, there is. There's a thing there.
Oh, is it? That's holding the whole thing from falling down then.
So we've taken the exhaust off. Now we got to work on the drive shaft, get rid of that, and then we can get the transmission out. Oh, that's really on.
Sweet, we'll put the big ass bar on it.
Ooh.
It's not loose, is it?
Bit of tension on that.
Yeah.
Can't get this thing off now.
Oh dear.
Having a real hard time with this drive shaft.
Yeah, bolts are a bit tight. Oh, I'm gonna shit myself. Solid.
They wouldn't be nice under here though, would it?
Not for you.
Oh, I don't imagine it'd be good for you either.
This is because I gotta clean it up.
Next. Is it on the body yet?
Yep. So just skimming around a little bit.
Whoa.
Tight.
Yeah.
Don't smack your knuckles.
I'm thinking that as well. Holy moly. Alright.
It's actually so stuck to this, it's actually pulling the gearbox apart. There we go.
What next?
Bolts,
Bell
mini
housing?
bolts. Yep.
Bell housing.
There was a nerve. Ew! Literally got my hands in grease. Ew! Just be careful, this doesn't slide out now and kill you.
So we're ready to get this, pull this transmission out. Do we need to worry about the oil?
No. It's gonna make a mess. So. This was.
Oh, there we go.
Is it free? Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so we need to slowly go down. Just hold it for a sec. Ew! I'm gonna have to have a shower now. It covered me. Ooh! Okay, let's go down then. More.
From my side, it just looks like a pool of blood.
Oh, shoot, I got splashed. Okay, pull the jack out and then we'll slide this like the bore out.
Ah, finally out of the car.
Looks like there's been a massacre underneath. But
Yeah, a couple of bodies under there.
Easy.
Tidy it up, and then hopefully start on the engine next time.